Welcome to our in-depth review of the Uniswap crypto exchange website. If you're looking for a decentralized way to trade cryptocurrencies, Uniswap is one of the most popular options out there. But is it the right platform for you? Let's dive into its features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using. When you first visit uniswap.org, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly design. The website provides quick access to the swap, pool, and governance sections. Unlike centralized exchanges, Uniswap doesn't require signups, which makes it incredibly easy to start trading right away. The Swap tab is where you exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Since Uniswap is based on Ethereum's blockchain and uses smart contracts, trades happen directly from your wallet without intermediaries. You simply connect your wallet, like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet, select the tokens you want to trade, and confirm the transaction. Pros of the swap feature: checkmark. No account needed, you trade directly from your wallet. Huge variety of tokens. You can find almost any ERC20 token, non-custodial. You always control your funds. Cons: high Ethereum gas fees. Can be expensive during network congestion. No fiat support. You can't buy crypto with credit cards or bank transfers. Uniswap allows users to become liquidity providers through the Pool tab. By adding tokens to liquidity pools, you help the platform function and earn a share of trading fees. Pros: check passive income opportunity. Earn fees from every trade. Permissionless. Anyone can add liquidity. Cons: impermanent loss risk. The value of your tokens may fluctuate. No guaranteed profits. Market conditions affect earnings. Unlike centralized exchanges, Uniswap is governed by its users through the UNI token. Holding UNI allows you to vote on protocol upgrades and changes, making it a fully decentralized platform. Should you use Uniswap? If you're looking for a decentralized, permissionless, and secure way to trade crypto, Uniswap is a great option. However, if you need lower fees, fiat deposits, or advanced trading tools, a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase might be better. Final verdict: checkmark, best for experienced crypto users who value decentralization. Not ideal for beginners due to high fees and lack of fiat support. That's our review of Uniswap. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto content.